2017, I visited Taipei with my painting and sketching gear for the first time. I venture into the streets like a local. Welcome to Taipei. How about that? My first attempt at sketching on a very bumpy van ride. Just south of New Taipei City is the district of San Xia. San Xia means three gorges and is literally situated where the Dahan River, the Sanxia River and the horizontal river meet. The historical Sanxia Old Street is a business street that developed during the Japanese rule. Hence, its baroque architecture is still very well preserved. The street features old school shops selling ceramics, antique toys, art, and specialty food like the bullhorn croissant. The Zhushi Temple was completed in 1767 during the Qing dynasty by the Hokkien immigrants from the Fujian province of China and had been reconstructed 3 times, with the last one starting in 1947. All the walls and columns of this temple are sculpted from stone, and the style of carving ranges from ancient to modern and even Western influences. Time for a typical barbecue lunch with the family before heading back. It's a non-stop eating adventure here in Taiwan, and the people here are very generous and welcoming, so don't be surprised if you return home a little heavier. So I'm gonna attempt to cook Hainanese chicken rice here with bak kut teh. So let's see if we can find the ingredients here in this street market. Looks like we're almost there. There you go. I think we have pretty much everything. So after spending 2 hours scouting out for food at the market and here at the supermarket, I think we're pretty much done. It's gonna be a feast, so stay tuned. Sneak peek. Same time.
对，因为它的中间是空的。
啊，
对。
可能。
这是新加坡咖喱。哇塞！
这个是新加坡，这个是新加坡，这个是新加坡，这个是新加坡。
哇，太厉害！
失败。
耶！哦，
好好吃哦。
Gula Melaka from Malacca, avocados from here, and ice. Oh, and kopi gao. Ice is from KFC. Alright guys, you're with Alvin Mark here on my channel. This is wrapping up my Taiwan journey. Thank you so much for being here. So in the last week we've visited beautiful locations, seen so many wonderful and amazing things, and of course not to mention the yummy, delicious food that they have in Taiwan. Right guys, I'm gonna be savoring this one last time from Xing. It's apple cider vinegar. My friend gave me this little carrier. Okay, we are here and we're on our way to Singapore to buy from Taiwan. Hope you enjoyed the videos that I've been putting out. If you really like my videos, remember to subscribe. It means the world to me and it helps me move on forward in this YouTube world. So thank you for that.